Bus accidents in Nevada. Let's take a minute to talk about those. What are the common causes for bus accidents? That is a very good question. I mean, let's talk about it. Here in Las Vegas, we have buses all over the road. And what are some of the common causes of those accidents or collisions where if you're injured on the bus, that you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries and damages? Obviously, if the bus driver does something wrong and causes a car crash and you're thrown out of your seat and you're seriously injured, you're entitled to compensation because that driver was negligent in the manner in which they drove. Those are what I call no-brainers. Those are very easy. Another type of accident or collision that can be involved is where someone may come over and cut off the bus, and the bus driver has to slam on the brakes. Here's the question. Who's responsible? Is it the driver of the vehicle who cut off the bus, or is it the bus driver? The bus company will obviously argue that it was the other driver and that the bus driver acted appropriately and was not negligent. Because what is the bus driver going to do? Is he going to ram that car? No, he's got to slam on the brakes. You, as a passenger on the bus, could be very significantly injured. But if the other guy just cut him off and drove away, you might not know who it is. And the question is whether or not the bus company is going to be responsible for that. That's going to take a lot of investigation. There are a lot of aspects that are going to be involved in that. You need to have an attorney who has the skill and experience of dealing with this. And you may or you may not have a claim. There are other types of claims that are common relating to bus accidents. For example, if you are disabled in any way and you have a wheelchair or a scooter or a motorized wheelchair and you come on and the bus driver does not make sure that you're properly secured, and then they make an abrupt turn or slam on the brakes, and all of a sudden your chair or your device flips over and lands on top of you and injures you, there may be a claim against the bus company. They may have violated their own policies and procedures in guarding your safety once you're on that vehicle. So there are many types of liability. The only thing that I can tell you is each claim is individual and has to be looked at under the facts and what has happened to you. The advice that I will give you is to call an attorney, perhaps me. Give me a call, tell me what happened. We will look into it and see what we can do to help you.